today in this tutorial I will show you how you can add particle.js in your application. And if you are using Angular 10, so you will get a error, and that is IVY. So I am using here Angular 10. So in this tutorial I will show you how you can solve this error and how to use particle.js. So let's see, guys. So first of all, here I will go to that new tab, and here I will open a npm angular particle.js. So I will provide the link in description also. So this is the link, angular particle.js npm, and I will open this link, and here is the installation command. You can see npm I angular particle. So you have to just install this command in your terminal. So I already installed, so I will show you that I already installed, so I will not install it again. So here you can see in the package.json I already installed this package, so here I will not install it again. And now after that, here I will go to the browser. So here you can see the first thing is I have to be import this line in our main module. Here you can see I have to be install this. So main module means app module.ts file. So I will go to my app module.ts, and just here I will import this, and here you can see in the imports array I have to add this particle module. Particle module means this module. So I will just copy from here, and in the imports, this is the imports array. Here you can see, and now just I will add this particle module and save. And now just here I will go to the below the page, and here you can see the code of to use particle.js. So first of all, just I will copy this, and in the ts file, this is the ts file. So I already open app component.html and app component.ts file. So I will add this code here, and inside this ng on init lifecycle hooks I have to be add this code. So first of all, when you have downloaded any projects, they are not default ng on init lifecycle hooks in your app component. So I will implement here ng on init. So in the component here I will write on init, and here implements on init, and now the method on init. So just here implements used for to implements the interface. So here on init is the interface lifecycle. So I will add on init. So here it's not on init, it's a ng on init. So now inside this ng on init I have to be write this code. So I will copy this, and just here I will paste. So after adding this code, so here you will see the error. So here you can see I am getting a error, and the error is, the main thing is, you can see here Angular IVY. So this is the error. So why this error? Because in Angular 9 it introduced IVY, that is the at the time to loading your project. So that is IVY, and it introduced in Angular 9 default features of Angular 9, and I am using here Angular 10. See, it's also a default features of Angular 10 also. So when I am using particle.js, so it's showing this error. So how can I solve this? So if you go to your I will open a next tab, and if I go Angular IVY guide, Angular IVY guide Angular. So I will go to Angular's official site. So this is the it's not this not site. So again I will type Angular IVY this site. This is the official site of Angular, and I will provide this link all in description also. So here you can read the all the documentation of IVUI, but the main thing is, so I have to be false this IVUI features. So here is the documentation. You can see in the tsconfig app.json file. Just to follow this IVUI, here I have to be add this line of code, and this you can see in the below the include array. I have to be add this line. So I will copy this, and now I will open app angular tsconfig.app.json file. So this is, and after opening this, so here you can see this is the include array, and here I will add comma, and I will add this line. So guys, after changing anything in your JSON file, like hey, it may be tsconfig app.json file, or here you can see tsconfig.json, any JSON file. There are different types of JSON file, package.json. So if you change angular.json, if you change anything in your JSON file, so if I save here, you can see it will not restart our project. So but if I save here, so here you can see it's restarting our project. But if I change anything in our JSON file, but it's not restart our project automatically. So for that we have to do one thing. We have to terminate our project. So Ctrl C and Y, and again I have to run this project because I changed something in our .json file. So here I'm running this project in ngSAR. So it will take some time. So now again I'm showing here it's starting compiling. So in the console here you can see it's coming the error, that is compilation error, because of this IVUI which introduced in Angular 9. So sometimes if you want to install any package, you can get error, but after disable these features in tsconfig.app.json file, this IVUI features false. Here you can see, so that time the error will be gone. So here you can see again the error is gone. So after adding your so again I will go to the particle.js. So after adding the TS file, I have to add something in our HTML file also. So again here you can see the HTML code. So I will copy this line, and I will add the link, this package link in our description also, so you can go check the description. So I will add this in our HTML file also and save. So now I will go to my browser. So here you can see it's added particle.js, but here now it's only added the this one. So I have written some code from here particle. So I will add this file in our file link in description also. So this code, if you write this code in your TS file, so I modified this code from particle.js official site. So and now instead of that one, just I will remove that, and ng on inits code, I will remove that code also, and which this code I modified from particle.js official site. So I will provide this code in description. You check the link, and now just you paste this code here below the ng on init. So now here you can see, okay, it's not coming. its position absolute. So the particle JS is not coming here because here you can see the position is absolute, so I have to write position fixed. So I will change it here, otherwise I will forget. So position absolute, instead of that here it will be position fixed. So now again it's not coming. Okay, I think it's not coming here for color. You can see I have added white color. So you can here you can see you can modify different things here. Just here you can add the position. So if I write position absolute, so I have to write something in our HTML file, position relative, and after that position absolute. So here I have written position fixed, and here I have added white color, so that's why it's not coming. So just I will change the color here. I will write the color is red, and the different way here also white, so I will change all the color is red. Okay, so now it should come here. Something wrong is again. Okay, so the color I have to be write this this way. We can't write here red, white this way, so I have to be write this color code. So here you can see the particle there is coming, and here the mouse movement also true. So if you want to false this mouse movement, so you can false it. So here is the option. You can change the circle. Here is the circle. You can write a triangle. I think the triangle is the property. I don't know it proper. So here you can see it's a triangle now. So you can modify this one. So I will provide this code in description also. So the main thing was this IVY. So if you get any error of IVY, so you can add this line of code in your tsconfig.app.json file, so the error will gone. So hope guys this video is helpful to you, and if you want to get more videos in Angular, so please subscribe and press the notification bell icon also.